Hello everybody. First, I want to show you a feature of PowerPoint that allows you to capture your lecture, and it is here. If I minimize this screen, you see here is written PowerPoint Chapter 1. I double click here in case if you have a PowerPoint presentation and you want your video to be captured along with PowerPoint. That's the way I will be using to show you how I put my video here. When this chapter 1 is here, I click on slideshow here, and do you see here is written record slideshow? I click on that and maybe record from the beginning. Of course, this is the beginning, or I call it from current because this is the beginning anyhow, from current slide. When I click there, as you see, my picture pops up here, and whatever I discuss is not recorded yet. I have to click on this record. If I click here, then things will be recorded, and it will be recorded twice because I have turned two programs on. One is, a program that I am regularly using, and this is what, allows me to talk. Let's get this one, click record. And as you see, it is recording now. And when this is my first slide, I can go to my second slide. And here is my second slide. Then I can talk about my explanation here. I can go to my third slide and go on. And after all of this, I click stop here. When I click stop, the video will be ready and you will be able to watch my video in PowerPoint. You can do the same for example, if you have a lecture, you have to give a lecture in your classroom, you can use the same thing. I click stop recording, and because it stopped the recording, I can go to my first slide in here. And of course, this is in order just to watch this one, I'm going to close this. And here, do you see my video in here, my picture, and it appeared here. Now, in order to watch my video, if I click, for example, I have to maybe click here, or I can go to slideshow in here to show it in bigger screen. When my slideshow shows, I am not going to talk because then there will be two voices. One is mine that I am speaking, and another one is the one which is here. I click here. This is the okay. Therefore, as you see, these are the way I click escape. And therefore, I had to slide from the first one and then could go to the second one more time. I go to the first slide. And then while I am talking on video, I don't talk because then, here. Okay, now that you saw how I lecture and how I go through my slides, I want you to, I post some slides for every week, and I want you to go related. These slides are related to each chapter of the book, and we will use this slide. And for as you know, I want to tell you that we start, giving you assignment for chapter 1 in week 6 of this class, but I have posted this video on week 1 of this class. That way you see how I lecture. Also, some students might decide to go, and go to and to take care of the future chapters, and I leave all the the chapters open for students who want to do their work in advance. Therefore, this is the way that I wanted you to know, and then I will go and do my lecture in my next slide. My goal was to show you how this PowerPoint works and how to watch my lectures, and we will go from there. And I am going to turn this video off, and I click save. And here I am going to stop